Did you know that carrots are not just good for your eyes? It can also make your skin glowy naturally. Let me show you guys how I infuse my carrot body butter. Work wonderful for the whole family. Please stay tuned. But before starting the video, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time across this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. To my returning subscribers, may Allah bless all of you. So now what we have to do, let's start the video. I have my Johnson baby oil here, so that one I used it for like 1 month ago. I infused the oil, so I'm already spraying the first batch of the oil. The next one that I'm adding this one to infuse, I'm going to make it double boil method. In case you are looking for carrot oil, you want to make your own carrot oil, if you are going to use Johnson baby oil, I will advise you to do what? To do it double boil method, for not for the nutrients, because you have to preserve the nutrients. You don't need to do it like cooking method to kill the nutrients. But if you are going to use other carrier oil, then maybe you are good, you can make it as a cooking method. But I always like to use, now I'm going to add my carrot powder inside. I blended it, I dry it, I make it dry, and after drying I blended it, and that one I'm using infusing my oils. I prefer to use the dry carrot, because dry carrot, that one, it can present your oil or your butter, for your butter to take maybe a year or more than a year without spoiling. But if you are going to use the fresh oil or fresh carrot, sorry, if you are going to use fresh carrot, it can happen that if you don't do it properly, your oil or your butter can spoil very quick, and we don't want it that way. Now what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to do it double boil method, because this one is the best way to make it, is the double boil method, because we don't want the nutrients to do what? To kill we don't have to make to kill the nutrients. So carrot, let's check and see. Carrot is having vitamin A and beta carotene and skin glowing, while lavender also is relaxing your skin, calming your skin down, making your skin get more smooth. And vitamin E also is replacing damaging skin. If your skin is damaged or is not smooth, you are adding vitamin E into your routine or your body care things, you are going to get the smoothest skin that you are looking for. Don't worry, please, if you are interested to see how I do everything step by step, watch it in Queenpagdede channel. Thank you very much. Let's continue. So if you want to buy some, feel free, you can contact with me. Check the description below, you will see my email there. You can send me email, or you can send me message in Instagram or Facebook. The name is Princess Haircare. It's available for